First unit, next topic is game theory. Game is a complex situation between the two or more players. Each one will try to win the game by using the optimum solution. Pure strategy. If a player selecting a particular strategy which results in a saddle point is called as a pure strategy. Mixed strategy. If a player follows more than one strategy where saddle point does not exist, then it is called as a mixed strategy. Here saddle point is equals to maximum of minimum. Ri is equals to minimum of maximum Cj. Okay, it is existed that we call it as a pure strategy. If it is does not exist, okay, does not exist, we call it as a mixed strategy. Next, structure of payoff matrix or game. Player B, player A. Player B strategies are B1, B2, B3. A1, player A strategies are A1, A2, A3. It is a matrix form, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Here A11, A1, A2, A3 are strategies of player A. B1, B2, B3 are strategies of player B. A11, A12, A13, so on are the are the payoff values. These all are, we call it as a payoff values. Next, flow diagram of 2% zero sum game. It is very important for long answer. Start. Write the payoff matrix. Is there a pure strategy? Solution, saddle point. It is pure strategy, saddle point exists, that means optimize the solution. That means we get the solution. No, it means it is a 2 cross 2 game. Yes, it is 2 cross 2 matrix solved by using the analytical formula, that is mixed strategy. No, it is not a 2 cross 2 game. Use dominance rule to reduce the matrix as far as possible. Has this reduced to 2 cross 2 game. Now we get the 2 cross 2. Yes, solved by using the analytical formula mixed strategy. No, it is not again the 2 cross 2. It is a 2 cross n or m cross 2 game. Yes, use the graphical method to reduce the problem to a 2 cross 2 game. No, formulate and solve as a linear programming problem, that is LPP. Okay, next, saddle point. If the value of maximum of minimum rows is equals to minimum of maximum columns, then it is called as a saddle point. Maximum of minimum RA is equals to minimum of maximum CJ. That is a formula. Next, we have problem here. Determine the optimum strategy and also calculate value of the game for the following payoff matrix. Player A, player B. Here player B and player A 20, 15, 22, 35, 45, 40, 18. It is 18, 18, 20, 25. Okay, this is the problem. Now we are solving here. Solution. Given players, there are two, that is player A and player B. Strategies for player A implies A1, A2, A3. Strategies for player B, B1, B2, B3. Okay. Given size of payoff matrix, it implies 3 cross 3. It means rows and columns are the same. Next, saddle point is equals to maximum of minimum Ri is equals to minimum of maximum Cj. Okay. 20, 15, 22, 35, 45, 40, 18, 20, 25. Here player A, here player B. Okay, we are represented with B1, B2, B3, A1, A2, A3. So first we have to find the minimum Ri, maximum Cj. These are the rows. So these are the columns here. First we have to find the minimum Ri. Okay, just see, these are the rows and these are the columns. Here we have to find the minimum Ri. Okay, minimum Ri. In this row minimum value is 15. In this row minimum value is 35. In this row minimum value is 18. Here maximum Cj. Why maximum Cj? It means here maximum Cj. Okay. So in this column the maximum value is 35. Okay, 35, 45, here 45 and this 40. Okay. Now maximum of minimum Ri. Okay. So it means minimum. These are the all the minimum values. Now we have to take the maximum. In this minimum values we have to take the maximum. Otherwise maximum of minimum Ri values 35, 18. In this case which one is max? It means that is 35. Same thing, minimum of maximum Cj, that is equals to minimum of 35, 45, 40. In this case minimum value is 35. So here we have to box the 35. The same thing here also. Okay. Next, therefore maximum of minimum Ri is equals to minimum of maximum Cj. Therefore saddle point is exist. Therefore value of the game. Here value of the game represented with 35. Sorry, represented with V. The value is 35 because here we get the 35 answer, that is the value of the game. Next, optimum strategy for player A is equals to A2. Optimum strategy for player B is equals to B1. Therefore, the given game is a unfair game. How we can say it is unfair? It means we gets value, otherwise we gets 0, that we call it as fair. That is called as a fair game. But here we have some value, that is 35. So that way we call it as it is a unfair game. Okay. This is our answer. Once we try to revise this all. First unit, game theory, game pure strategy, next strategy, next structure of the game, next flow diagram of 2% zero sum game. It is very important for the long answer theory. This is that diagram. Next we have saddle point formula and what the mean of saddle point. Next we have one problem and we are solve here. This is the solution.